Chitra from SSC College of Engineering. I'm doing my third year Electronics and Communications. And coming to the idea, okay, I've just thought of the idea inspired by your presentation, and I never knew all the contributions were happening for the entrepreneurs. I just came up with an idea. So basically, my idea is just like we have ratings for the restaurants, Zomato, Burp, all these rate the restaurants and give the rate the restaurants. I think we should have something like that for the hospitals too. Not exactly the ratings, but different sections in cardiology, neurology. They should have the doctors, a list of doctors online available for different sections like cardiology, neurology, pathology, or general medicine, so that you can go consult them easily. All the people in the city may not be aware of all the doctors. You can, or sometimes in the night when you have emergency problems, you can just check in with your nearby address. Say you live in Adyar, you can say you're living in Adyar and check for the nearest available facility. You have a heart problem, you can just go to a cardiologist, as in approach them in a very short time. So we have to collect the database of all the doctors, and see the doctors also, they don't work in one hospital particularly, as in the different the working hours are different. They work with, they're consulting doctors. Most of them are consulting doctors nowadays. They go to different hospitals in one day, right? So you should have the timings of the consulting doctor. We should have all the timings. You can say, for example, check for one specific doctor, or once you want to consult one specific doctor, you can just check for the timings is available in different hospitals and go to the nearby place. Or let's say you have a problem, you have a skin problem. Usually in skin problems, people are very particular, very choosy about the doctors. They want to go to the best doctor or something like that. And only about a few doctors. If you want the best out of them, you can just go read the ratings and then read the review about the doctor. There would be some reviews written by the patients as to how they got their diseases cured.